Jai Shri Gurudev. So, in last classes we already discussed the continuity. Next we will move to the differentiation. Okay, differentiation is very important and very interesting also. Okay, so let us take one function. So y is equals to f of x. Function may be different types. F of x is equals to x square, x cubed, x square plus 2x, sin x, cos x. Let us take any one function. So y is equals to f of x. Okay. Already told in first PUC how to calculate the differentiation. What is the definition? Already told in first PUC. Okay. So briefly I am telling differentiation. Let us consider this function y is equals to f of x, and differentiation of f of x is can be denoted as f dash of x. F dash of x. Okay. Denoted as like this, f dash of x. Otherwise, if you take a y function with y equals to f of x means y dash. Y dash also we can. This is the notation also. Okay, differentiation of y is nothing but y dash. Differentiation of f of x is nothing but f dash of x. And also dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x. This is also differentiation. Okay, and dy by dx of f of x same. So these all things are same. These all things are same. So yavodana use madubodu. So you can use any. F dash of x is nothing but the differentiation of f of x. Y dash is nothing but the differentiation of y. Dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Dy by dx of f of x is the differentiation of f of x with respect to x. Okay, this is the like that we can denote the differentiation. Okay, and if the function is given like this, what is the formula to find the differentiation? Okay, differentiation means f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0. H is any value. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this is the formula to find the differentiation. F of f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is the first principal formula. No, already told in first PUC. Okay. Okay. So this is the formula to find differentiation of the f of x function. Okay, already told in first PUC, first principle. So many problems done now, sin x, cos x, x square. Okay, so many problems done x. So this is the first principal formula. Okay, to find the differentiation of x. Okay, the process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. The process of finding the derivative. So derivative of x square is 2x. So this process is there. No, this process is nothing but the called differentiation. Okay, the process of finding the derivative is called the differentiation. This is the notation how to denote this is the formula. So therefore f dash of x is equals to what? What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay. So here in some cases, okay, we have to check the differentiation of whether the function having the differentiation or not. So that's why we are using LHD, left hand derivative, and RHD, right hand derivative. So we are using the both. So LHD, RHD we have to use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು if both are same means then this limit will exist. Left hand derivative and right hand derivative, like that formulas are there. Right then that one. Okay, by using these formulas we can declare that whether that function is differentiable or not, we can decide by using this formula. So LHD is equals to what? RHD means that is differentiable. Both are not equal means that is not differentiable. That function is not differentiable. So this is very important formula. LHD. What is LHD means? Left hand derivative. RHD means right hand derivative. Like LHL, RHL already done now. Same procedure. Here one formula is there. What is that formula? I can see. So what is LHD? LHD means same. LHD. So I am considering same this one. Limit h tends to 0 minus. H tends to 0 minus. Okay. 0 minus is less than 0. F of f of I am taking at c, x is equals to c and a point at the moment at x is equals to c. So that's why c plus h minus f of c divided by h. So this is the LHD, left hand derivative at the point where x is equals to c. C at that, so this is called the formula for LHD. And what is RHD? Same point at x is equals to c. RHD is equals to limit h tends to 0 plus. H tends to 0 plus. So f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. So this is the what is this? This is the LHL. Okay. So some are writing 0 minus 0 plus use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus h ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus h ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is also one procedure is there. But very easy understanding. F of c plus h, f of c plus h, f of c minus h. Let 0 minus 0 plus. Okay. Sometimes LHL ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus h ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, minus h ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is also good practice. Okay. So follow these things. This is LHL, LHD and this is RHD. So if both are same, if you calculate the limits of these two things, if you both are same means then we can decide that function is differentiable. Our function differentiable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, otherwise it is not differentiable. Okay. So many problems are there. Okay, and formulas also there. I will tell that formulas also. Okay. So this is about the brief introduction about the differentiation already told in first UC. Okay, this is a brief introduction about the differentiation. Okay, some formulas are there. Is there? I will tell one by one. See next theorem. Already told now. So LHD and RHD. Okay. Next this is the theorem. Theorem number 3. If a function f is differentiable, at a point C, then it is also continuous. At that point. Okay, this is the theorem we have to prove. This is also one of the important theorem. What is theorem actually means? A function f is differentiable ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then you have to prove that it is continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. All differentiable functions are continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is the theorem. Okay, that's why proof. See, f is differentiable. That's the first given, that is not. So f is differentiable function at C. F is differentiable function at the C. So C at the differentiable at the one. Okay. So what is the condition if f is differentiable? Already told in first use this formula. Okay, if not please you have to learn more. Okay. Limit x tends to c, f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. Already told now one formula, f of x plus x minus f of x divided by what is the h ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x plus h is equals to x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ f of x minus f of c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x minus c. So that is the formula. Okay. So this is a differentiable, another formula for the differentiation. So limit x tends to c here. Limit x tends to c. Limit x tends to c. There x tends to 0. That's why. Okay. Limit x tends to c. F of x minus f of c. Okay. Divided by x minus c. Is equals to what? F dash of c. Okay. F dash of c. Okay. So this is the formula. So why? Because f is differentiable already. So we have to use this formula. Okay. And we have to prove that f is continuous. In the prove model, how it will be seen. So this is a differentiable condition now. Now I am going to prove f is continuous. F of x is continuous in the prove model. So that's why I am considering like this: f of x minus f of x minus f of c. F of x minus f of c. F of x minus f of c can be written as like this: f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c into x minus c. Okay, so x minus c cancel means same or not difficult. So same will get now. So in both cases apply the limits. Apply. So limit extends to c, f of x minus f of c. F of x minus f of c is equals to, apply limits here also. Limit extends to c, f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c into x minus c. Okay na? So this is the procedure. See next, see limit extends to c f of x, right down. Limit extends to c f of c is equals to f of c, right down f of c say. Okay, is equals to apply this whole thing to limit is equals to limit extends to c f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. Okay, into apply this limit to this also. Limit extends to c x minus c. So limit extends to c x minus c. Limit extends to c x minus c. Okay. So therefore, so this is nothing but LHL. See, so limit extends to c f of x minus f of c is equals to, same writing, is equals to what? Here limit extends to c. What is this? Limit extends to c f of x minus f of c by divided by x minus c is what? F dash of c. Now write down this one. F dash of c is equals to what? Apply c value here. X is equals to c. C minus c is what? 0. C minus c is 0. So 0 into f dash of c, 0. So therefore is 0. So therefore limit extends to c f of x minus f of c is equals to what? 0. F of x minus f of c equals to 0. So f of c is equals to a. So therefore limit extends to c f of x is equals to what? F of c. So what is this condition? Tell me. This is a familiar condition for you. Why? Because so many problems done by using this formula. Okay. Limit extends to c f of x equals to f of c is continuous now. F of x is continuous means you have to satisfy this condition. So therefore this condition satisfies means we can declare that f of x is continuous. Now we first one is differentiable. First one differentiable ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. What we proved? F of x is continuous. So therefore f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at this point. So x is equals to c. X is equals to c ಅಂದ್ರೆ continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Very easy now. So differentiable ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ first and we proved what? Continuous. So this is the procedure. This is also one of the important theorems. See, go through this. See here, from this theorem, we have to know one very important condition. What is that important condition means? So every differentiable function, one function that is a differentiable. Every differentiable function is continuous. Okay. So every differentiable function is continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Differentiation ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. It is continuous. But converse is need not true. Converse ಅನ್ನೋದು true ಆಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So all continuous functions are not differentiable. I will tell one example for that one. Okay. So I will tell one example for that one. So differentiable ಆದರೆ continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But continuous ಆಗಿರೋ functions ಎಲ್ಲ differentiable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some functions are continuous functions are differentiable also. But all continuous functions are not differentiable. So I will tell one example why it is not true. Converse is not true. Why? I will tell now. See. So with one example I will tell why converse is not true. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ true ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So let us consider f of x is equals to mod x. This continuous function already told now, so many times told. Okay, in last video also told. So mod s function is continuous. Is continuous. It is continuous. But modulus function is not differentiable. It is not differentiable at x is equals to 0. 0 ಆದರೆ ಇದು differentiable ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. So continuous function differentiable ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? But all differentiable functions are continuous. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ differentiable ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That theorem only already told. Okay. Theorem number 3. Okay. But converse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, accept ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So for that purpose I am giving one example. How it will be seen. Modulus function is continuous. No. Why it is not differentiable? At x is equals to 0 check ಮಾಡೋಣ. At x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So limit x tends to 0 minus limit x tends to 0 minus f of c plus h ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, minus f of c divided by h ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, c plus h ಅಂತ. So c plus 1 ನಾವೇ ತಗೊಂಬನ 0 ನೋ at c plus 0 ತಗೊಂಡು. So that's why I am taking 0 directly. So this is LHD. Okay, 0 plus h f of c. Okay. Next is equals to limit h tends to 0 minus f of h minus f of 0 divided by h agata, divided by see limit h tends to 0 minus f of h. Yes. Okay. So f of x is equals to mod x. Okay. 0 minus functionality is there already told. No function f of x is equals to mod x. So it is x when if x is greater than or equals to 0, minus x if x less than 0. So 0 minus means less than 0, no? So less than 0 means take f of x equals to minus h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore limit h tends to 0 minus h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus h. Okay, minus h. So f of 0 means modulus 0. Leave it. 0 is 0 divided by h. h cancel ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1. So what is LHD? minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. LHD equals to minus 1. So RHD calculate RHD calculate. Same procedure. Limit h tends to 0 plus f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. Okay. So f of h no 0 plus h is equals to what? F of h. F of h is equals to positive no 0 plus. So x means f of x equals to h. We write down h. So limit h tends to 0 h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 0. So limit divided by h. h cancel ಆದರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore 1. So RHD is equals to 1, LHD is equals to what? Minus 1. Both are same? Not same. So therefore LHD is not equals to RHD. So therefore this modulus function is not differentiable. This is not differentiable at x is equals to 0. 0 ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ differentiable ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But it is continuous. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಸಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ differentiable. Okay, this you have to keep it in your mind. Why? Because this is very important for the CET concept. CET concept is just important though. Okay na? So therefore this is one example. So I will tell CET also here. One thing I have to tell. Okay, see. Here not differentiable. No. Next see, with respect to graph I will tell how that is differentiable and how it is continuous. Graph. So this is graph already told. So in V shape. So this is a y axis, x axis, x dash and y dash, and this is origin. So this is a modulus function. F of x is equals to mod x function. So this is mod x function now. already told. In first PUC also already told. Okay. If you have any doubt means go through first PUC already done. One video is there. Modulus function ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ. So you will get the answer. You will get the information about the modulus function. So modulus function is in the shape of V shape. V shape ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So by observing only we can tell that it is continuous. Why? Because ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪೆನ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ನಾನು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. 0 ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ left hand derivative, right hand derivative. So left hand, right hand derivative. So ಇದು curve ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, like that is going. It is going like this. Left hand derivative, right hand derivative is different. Left hand derivative is different. Okay. So that's why. So ಈ ತರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು easy, I will tell one easy technique for you. So ಈ ತರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಯಾವಾಗನ ಬರಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂಲೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ದಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ mod x minus 1, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 ಹತ್ರ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 1 ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ at the corner point it is not differentiable. Keep it in your mind. It is very very important for the IIT JEE mains and also KSEC also. Very very important question. ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕರ್ವಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ದಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ therefore my dear students, keep it in your mind. By seeing graph only we can tell that whether it is continuous or not, whether it is differentiable or not. ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. Okay, it is continuous but it is not differentiable. So how it will be explained? Okay na? So my dear students, I will tell formulas now. I will tell the formulas. Okay. Next we will see the problems. First I will tell the formulas. So in next video I will tell the formulas. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, comment in this below video. Okay. Thank you.